Today we will be testing the Heikin Ashi RSI indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Heikin Ashi RSI indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 98 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. And I'll put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now. Also link to it at the end of this video so that way you can just click on that link and go check out that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 939 indicators, with 388 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the Heikin Ashi RSI indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I think one adjustment we might do here, let's see, I believe, yes, right here. Let's go ahead and turn up the opacity of these areas right here. Alright, that makes that a little bit easier to see. So, like I said, the indicator is down here on the bottom of the screen. As you can see, the source video that we got this from says that it is the perfect indicator for trading reversals. And so, be interesting to see what we can get out of this indicator. Now, the source video breaks down kind of the idea behind the indicator, the calculations, and the different components and so on. And so we can turn off the, alright, so it is the RSI shadow and RSI overlay there. It takes away that RSI line there and leaves the Heikin Ashi candles here. And the Heikin Ashi candles, and as you can see from what we modified in the beginning of the video there, it has these overbought and oversold areas, and you can see the Heikin Ashi candles are stretching down into those areas. And so as per the source video, what we should look for is when the Heikin Ashi candles break down into either the overbought or oversold area, so the green area or the red area. And so now, it doesn't really tell you exactly what you should be looking for as far as the actual signal to take the trade. It just says when it reaches into this area, you should be looking for a reversal. So I think how we are going to do this is we're going to look for the Heikin Ashi candles to get down into the green area or up into the red area. If they get down into the green area here, what we are looking for is the first the first green candle that appears. And so the red candles typically with the Heikin Ashi, it's kind of stringing together a line of red candles here. And then we're looking for a green candle for the actual signal to go long. On the reverse side, when the candles break up into the red zone here, we are looking for the first green candle, and that will be our signal to go short. So hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. So we get that green candles, or the candles that break up into this upper zone here, the red upper zone. And then we get a red candle right here on this one. And immediately we get a spike right back to the upside there. And that is going to stop us out. It looks like we are then going to pick up another short signal right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play this out. Alright, that one worked out much better, so you can see that this one was able to come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get the scroll back there. Alright, let's go ahead and count this out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. And so that will meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. So is this the perfect indicator for trading reversals? It seems to do a pretty decent job, all in all things considered. The RSI kind of, kind of by nature tends to give a little bit of false signals, or quite a bit of false signals. I guess depends on who you ask. I've always enjoyed the RSI and thought it was a pretty decent indicator, but it does seem to kind of start to lose steam and hint towards a reversal, generally before the reversal really takes place. And so you can kind of see that in a few of these here, like this one right here, this one right here. And so, but the other signals were pretty spot on signals. They would have worked out really well. And so I think this is a pretty decent indicator. It's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.